In the second row of data points, the first option we see is the offers chart. You can expand it and get a full screen view by clicking on the expand button. This chart has all the typical information that we're used to, except for two extra important data points. We have the break-even line that runs right through the middle there, and we have the offers average line, which also runs there. So the break-even line, of course, is important because if we see the buy box, the purple line, drop below the historic break-even line, then we know that it's been historically selling at a loss. In this scenario here, we see the product always been selling above our break-even line, meaning that at $3 that we're purchasing this product for, it's always been a winner. We can also see in the bottom chart, the average line running through the middle. So we know at this point in history, it's below the average. There are less offers than usual. If you adjust the price of this product, let's assume we buy it for $6 instead of $3, you'll notice that the break-even line jumps up higher, and it's up higher, it's above the buy box line. If we take it back down, let's assume we take it to $2.50, you'll notice it drops lower, and you can see that it's much more comfortable at this price.